How was your morning?
Beautiful day out. Got some nice shots. Almost got mugged.
Give me the camera.
This hot guy thought that I was taking pictures of him. I don't know who you are.
Clearly.
So, a hot mugger?
I'm Luke.
Natalie.
I made an ass out of myself in front of an incredibly sexy and beautiful woman.
Did she forgive you for being an ass?
I'm not sure. I hope so. You want to come in?
Just listens. Man, he's hot. This is what I do.
It's incredible.
What do you do for work?
Why do you want to know?
Oh my God. Luke Williams.
So everyone in the country knows who you are. There are t-shirts with your face on it, like action figures. You know what? I don't want you here.
Have you stopped to think maybe it was just nice to be around someone who didn't want something from him for a change? Just a normal guy with a normal girl.